In examples 7 and 8, we want to calculate the present value of a continuous income stream, which could be used for something like creating a valuation of an investment. Or assuming a company plans to invest a continuous income stream with a rate of flow given by the function below at 5.3% interest, compounded continuously for 9 years. That is, now we have a rate of flow of income like we did in the previous examples, but in addition to just bringing in that money, we're investing it into an account with a specific rate, compounded for a certain number of periods over a certain amount of time. In part A, we're given a formula to evaluate. We need to pay careful attention to the fact that this formula has two different t's in it. We have a capital T and a lowercase t. Capital T represents our time, which in this case will be 9 years. Lowercase t is the variable that we're integrating with respect to. The other values in this formula will be f of t, which in this case is this constant function that we're given, and the value r, which is our interest rate. So to evaluate this formula, we'll select that definite integral tile. We're integrating from 0 to 9. The function f of t in this case is 20,212 times this e to the negative rt that's just in the formula will be e to the negative 0.053 t. And again, we'll change dx to dt to match the variable contained in the formula. We get a result of 144,671.1924, which is telling us the present value of this investment is $144,671.19. In example 8, we want to work pretty much the same problem, but now we're given a rate of flow that is a variable function. We'll still apply that same formula where capital T represents the time, which in this case is 4 years, R represents our interest rate, and G of T will be this given function, that rate of flow. In this case, we'll be integrating from x equals 0 to 4. First, we'll enter the rate of flow function that we're given. Then we'll multiply by the e to the negative rt that's in the formula. And we'll change dx to dt to get $78,273.0304, which tells us the present value of this investment will be $78,273.03.